Hi again and welcome to Links 007 TV Celebrity to the Scoop. So congratulations are in high order for Meghan Markle after it was announced that Prince Harry and the couple are expecting baby number 2. When we return, we'll have the exclusive details of this to come on the program. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the details to come on the program. Welcome to Celebrity Scoop on Links 007 TV, bringing you the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity to the Scoop. So congratulations are in a high order for Meghan Markle and Prince Harry after it was announced just yesterday that they're actually expecting baby number 2. Now this announcement was made and blew up on social media after this triggered an outpouring of congratulations from all different aspects of the social media world. Now the Duke and the Duchess of Sussex made this announcement after it was announced that little Archie will be actually having someone to play with very soon. So little Archie days as a number one child will soon be taken over after Prince Harry and Meghan Markle, the Duchess of Sussex, now said that they are actually expecting a second child. In an announcement on Sunday, Harry and the former Meghan Markle revealed that another baby in the royal family is actually on its way. We can confirm that Archie is going to be a big brother. The Duke and the Duchess of Sussex are overjoyed to be expecting their second child, a spokesperson for the couple said in a statement yesterday. In light of this recent development, Buckingham Palace also took the time to release a statement in relation to this matter. So Buckingham Palace released a statement following the exciting announcement. Her Majesty, the Duke of Edinburgh, Prince of Wales, and the entire family are delighted and wish them all the best, a spokesperson said in a statement that was released. The new addition to the Sussex clan will be the 5th grandchild of Prince Charles and the late Prince Diana, it was announced. Meghan Markle and Prince Harry have not yet announced a specific due date for their baby's arrival. They have not also made any comment in relation to the baby's sex in the announcement, and they might choose to keep this a secret according to many social media users. Meghan and Harry were famously quiet about Archie's sex before he was born, similarly to Harry's brother Will and his wife Kate have also chosen to keep their baby sex a secret as well until the child was actually born. So this was just the latest that we have to bring to you in relation to this developing story of Meghan Markle and Prince Harry expecting their second child. As you know, the two wed back in 2018 to the fanfare of many that saw hundreds if not thousands of individuals tuning in online, and also at the venue where the spectacular wedding was held. And many have thought that the relationship would not have lasted, but see, it's going on and it's going very strong right now after the two are expecting their second child. So we just want to take this opportunity just to wish them all the best, and just all the best with their new child that is on the way, or the new baby I should say, that is on the way. And we'll continue to just track this story and just keep you and providing you with the latest details to come on this. This has been Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Peace out and bless, and much respect goes out to you, the viewers, as always.